wasn't 18 hours, we were 21 hours on the bus, or at least on the trip from Hoi An here to Mui Ne. It was really exhausting, long trip, but we are here and it's definitely worth it. I will show you the whole sunset at the end of the video. It's amazing here, way better than the rainy Hoi An. Tomorrow the sand dunes are up. See you in the sand. Workout for Vietnam. That's done.
Done.
Done, I have my chin. This is the top of the sand dunes. This is Chris, Fabian, Sabrina. Just enjoying the sunset. It's beautiful. Check it out. Hour 51 to 56 here in Vietnam. Yeah, I spent already a lot of hours from north to south, all by bus. And this is how the buses they look like. They have kind of a leg room, but when you're over 170, you're kind of struggling with the leg room. But this one's quite alright. I will take the bus now from Saigon, Ho Chi Minh to Rach Kia, and then from there a ferry to Phu Quoc. So yeah, just relax, chill on the beach. See you there.